Hi, my name is Martin Prast, Director of Business Development here at Spectralink. I would like to introduce you to our 77 series handsets. These handsets have been specifically designed for healthcare. And this means we have a very high focus on hygiene and functionality in these environments. And specialized also focus around communication and mobility, which are the critical aspects of even saving lives in hospitals. Also for these handsets, we have designed them with a focus on being easy to clean, easy to use, and of course providing extra battery functionalities, extended life, so that they can last a full shift. Integration to third-party application solutions like a patient monitoring system or nurse call systems allow the nurse or doctor to actually respond very, very fast by having icons intuitively describing what the alert is all about, and even prioritizing high alert like a heart attack or similar. For this type of scenarios, we've also developed special icons that provide this very intuitive experience around showing both in color and text exactly where the problem is, exactly what the problem is about, and even providing a possibility to even escalate. So if a dedicated or assigned nurse or doctor is not able to respond very quickly, they are actually able to decline a message, and it will escalate automatically to the next colleague that is able to respond. That is critical in these types of environments. These handsets are designed to meet the high requirements of hygiene for healthcare personnel. That also means we have designed a special membrane on the devices, so it's very easy to clean and avoid bacteria. The handset is also IP64 classified, and that means it's dust protected and water splash protected, allowing the caretakers to bring the handset in any type of scenario that they experience. Let's look at the different handsets that we have in the 77 series. We have the 7722. It has the mentioned membrane keypad that is disinfectant resistant, so that you can use any kind of cleaning material for that. It also means that you have the possibility to even put a headset jack on if that's required. You also have a loudspeaker opportunity, and most importantly also an alarm button, which helps in this integration with the various applications that you use in these types of environments. If we move to the 7742, which is the high-end model, in addition to what I already showed here, same membrane keypad, it also has the loudspeaker, the headset jack, and the alarm button. This handset also has a tear-off string. And the tear-off string is especially fitted for healthcare areas like psychiatric hospitals. And especially in psychiatric hospitals, safety is key. So one thing is the tear-off string. Others is also that we've built in an accelerometer into the device. And the accelerometer provides an opportunity where we can actually do running detection. If a nurse in these type of environments starts to run, we can actually detect that. If they have been attacked or similar and they fall over, a detector will notice that this handset is now vertical and in no movement. These are all integrated to our application partners so they can monitor this and react on this. In addition to that, we also have various accessories for these type of devices. We have a single charger. There is a single charger with also opportunity for an extra battery. And to carry, there's a belt clip. We also have the functionality of a replaceable battery. Again, these are typically 24-hour shifts, shift workers, and as part of that, we need to make sure we keep them mobile. So we've added an opportunity to replace the battery very quickly and move on with your tasks. As voice is also one of the key features for these types of devices because communication and mobility is so important. We continue to focus on executing on the various partnerships that we have with some of the market-leading telephony platforms. This both with validations of various solutions and of course certifications. This only to ensure our customers in these type of verticals that we can offer them the utmost best quality experience.